Hey, to change ringtone on the Nothing phone to A, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Now from this you will have to scroll down and move into the sound and vibration. Now select phone ringtone, and from this you have to select your Nothing phone sounds, but also you can set the custom sound. So first let me show you how to change it from the default one. Click here, and now we can swipe and pick the different sound. If you want to stay with this one, just click save in the right bottom corner. But if you want to get, for example, any song or any voice recorder sound on the ringtone, just go into the My Sounds. Now click to add new sound, and now you will be redirected into the Google files. And if you have any songs on your Google Drive, you can pick it from here. But also you can go into the storage of your phone, click on the three lines in the left upper corner, go for example into the audio, or for example into the downloads. Now select your sound, click on it, and now click on the right upper corner. And that's how you can set the default and the custom ringtone for the incoming calls on the Nothing phone to A. Right now please subscribe.